Oh, 2010.
Yeah,
Yeah,
2010.
kuzo World Cup.
For me, 2010, it was not only FIFA, but ukuhamba kwe-FIFA kuhambe ne-eyesight yami. So in that way, in 2010, I remember back in August, kuze kanjani ukuthi ningibize uLisedi. Then she was like, ugogo wakho had a vision. This vision, she saw umntwana on the sun, in the middle. Then she had a voice in that vision to say, kuzoba nomntwana, lo mntwana lo, umfana, igama lakhe nithi uLisedi. When I say I travel alone from here, eGauteng to Mpumalanga, alone, in a public taxi.
Oh,
Traveler. Because I'm with God.
my brother.
Because I'm with God. That's why I say, I've witnessed the presence of God
yeah.
in my life.
Yeah.
I've witnessed kunabantu abaphumayo baye kuphi bayenzeke 1 2 3 babe nenkinga abahlangana nazo la endleleni, but I've never uyayibona Bhuti Chris.
Yazi mfethu abantu abanye abantu ababonayo abakhonayo nje kusenzela yonke into bayabona abanayo le faith onayo. So it's very like shocking ukuthi umuntu onjengawe like sounds very faithful. Welcome to the Dobby Show. Of course, I go by the name Chris Moss. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera as usual. On my right, I got my man Ganda, and on camera and sound is my man James. Is one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as join the membership and keep on donating. The details are shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much to those who are loving the episode, subscribing as well as sharing. Thank you so much. We highly appreciate it. Otherwise, James, you better tell me the time so I wanna see if I'm on grace.
Yeah, we are on grace.
We're on grace.
It's God's time.
I love it. I love it every time, man, when you're on grace. Tata ngixelele lithini ixesha.
Ixesha likaThixo
Ixesha likaThixo.
sisekile.
Hawu tata. Hey. Hey tata, nokuthi sibusisekile uzuyakulula yabo ndacha ubuseke ngempela. Yazi omnye into ebengavela nje sibusisekile. Hey. Yambona nje ukuthi impilo yakhe ihamba kahle athi sibusisekile. Yabona ngiyadonsa. Hayi busisekile.
Awuyizwa phela but uyafeel.
Uyafeel ukuthi yazi umuntu ubusisekile. Hey, yazi uGandu uyamangaza. Hey James. Yeah.
Sibusisekile dala kathi.
Hayi cha ubusisekile dad. Awusiphi nathi. Otherwise, when I'm with my brother right here, he got a testimony. Was calling me, Chris, I have a testimony that I want to share with you. It's a very sensitive one, and it's like, I want to tell you, ukuthi kugcine kwenzakala kanjani ukuthi ngigcine sengasabona or ngilose i-eyesight yami. So ngifuna ukuzwa ngine testimony ngalokho. So kuningi nje kule testimony, but yeah, it's a very sensitive one. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into it, my brother. Welcome to the show.
Ngibonge Bhuti Chris, and thanks as well to Brother James and Brother Ganda.
Uhlala umuzo kanda mayikhuluma.
Hey, hlezi ngimuzwa ngathi isikhathi sakaThixo. I'm like,
Uhlala thina futhi. Uthini kanda.
isikhathi sakaThixo.
Isikhathi sakaThixo.
It's God's time. I'm like, oh, it's grace. Okay. I'm like, yeah, but I'm always watching. Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu, my brother.
Like futhi.
Uyalike.
Subscribe ile laphana.
So uyawathola ama notifications. Maso every episode nje uyazi ukuthi hayi nabo ko Chris. Nkosiyami uhlala ungifonela ngithi Nkosi yami.
Hey, madod.
Seze sahlangana ne.
Yeah, no, eventually ukuthanda kwenkosi.
Uthanda kwenkosi, my brother. Sicela sicacisele ukuthi uphuma kuphi then bese singena kwi testimony yakho.
Igama ngaqala actually nge first name yami because this name Lisedi is a very important name that I own, and my second name is Oscar. My surname is Matibela, and because I do music, I'm a producer. Yeah, ngiyacula, ngiyaproducer.
Ucula umculo kanjani?
Amapiano.
Hawu.
Yebo, ngicula amapiano nje kubhizi.
Okay.
Ngiyasebenza kakhulu. Ya ngisazogcineni ngisazoshare futhi nokuthi umusic wami utholakala kanjani nendaba kanjalo abantu bafuna ukusichumanisa nami bayenza kanjani. But ngumuntu nje ubuya eMpumalanga eMkhuhlu lapha nje eMashonamini. Ngila ngibuya khona emakhaya. And futhi ngi-student. Ngifunda for security purposes awuthinga mention. Yeah, university
ufundela ini?
Teaching.
Wow, my brother.
Yeah,
Okay, that's nice.
Teaching ngenza umnyaka wo-3 manje.
Uyaqeda phela manje?
Yeah, no, next year is
graduate.
Next year semele ngenza ama practicals. So
hey phela nto mina ngifundanga ngazo ama practicals.
I know lapha teaching ziyabuya ngoba bazokufaka ku6 months bakubona ukuthi uperforma kanjani.
Kuma practical manje senza ama practicals.
Yabona.
Then after masuqedene nenza ndaba.
Masuqedile phela yeah, masuqedile ama practicals ukuthi somele ugraduate kulonyaka ozayo, which means 2027 sekumele ngigraduate.
La usuyoqoqa khona ijazz.
Ijazz yeah. Bajabule ekhaya. Hey. Yabona.
Yeah, ngikhaye ngilibone le jazz angikaze ngithinte ngisho ukuthini. Nesiqoko ndoda.
Hayi nami ke.
Sengizocela ababukeli bengikhandele.
Lapho sesikhathi khona abantu.
Hayi emakhaya bebengasinika amajazz sahamba. Uhleka into.
Ujohn Chris wagcina ijazz. Wagcina ijazz ngala grade 1.
Ngaze ngigqoke esiyothala. Ngithe ekhabe usuya ka first kuyihambela ubona ubungayi crash next year uyile ayikhona into efeweli le yama graduation nje. Sahamba nje Chris aphuma mase ngithi ngiyavuka next year athi ugoga usayile lapho.
Yazi khona umunye uteacher wami wangitshela something athi ungabi lo muntu ukuthi mabamele bafunde bathini into le uthi umuntu makashonile obituary yeah. So ungabi lo muntu ukuthi he was born and he's dead show ukuthi awufundanga uyenzile utho. But ufuthi Chris wile at least ubuthi Chris une platform at least yeah we are impact mina
awona nto wangichonsa ngihleleli kodwa ndoda ngenze yini ndoda manje sekuyiqala ukuthi anginalo ijazz ndoda. Brother asigede kwi-testimony ngoba vele usuyishila into ade ufuna ukuyisho.
Yeah, njengoba sengishilo ngithi igama nguLisedi Oscar Matibela kanti i-stage name sami nguLarry Low. uLarry Low bhala LYRILO kanti lo LO lapha egcineni ama initials wami for ukuthi leligama lelinyalo owner yayibona. So yes ama initials wami lapha egcineni and that's powerful there. Into engihamba nayo i-signature nje kanjalo. Bathi indaba iqalwe ekuqaleni. So njengoba sashilo uButi Chris ukuthi ngumuntu ongaboni and I don't see anything totally even the perception of light I don't have it. I think I can only see the light that I can see is the sun only, but lama lights lawa semarumini or anything I don't see anything. And I'm not a person who was born blind. Izinto zomhlaba ezingithola endleleni ngihamba nje nami, but kuqale kanjani or kuze kanjani ukuthi namhlanje ngingasaboni. Ngathanda ukusho ukuthi back in 2009 because mina abazali bami abasahlala ndawonye and bahlukana kudala vele, they didn't even get married in that way. So 2009 ubaba ma decide ukuthi no ngifuna ukuzomthatha lo mntwana nami ngizohlala naye I think it's gonna be best like that. Yabona indaba support ngibe duze in terms of support and fatherhood and stuff like. Nami, I was like, no. I would choose to go to my father's place because I mean, wonke umuntu as a child, you just want to live a better life or that life of at least uyabona into enjalo njengawonke umntwana uyabona into enjalo. So 2009 abaza vele bazokhipha inhlawulo nani then ngasuka ngaya laba mahlala khona. Bengibona kahle, I didn't have any eyesight challenges or problems or anything.
Right.
Being right. Ngifana nje nophuti ganda lapha. Yebo. So 2010 ngikhumbula kahle, I used to see abantu badwebe bathini iflag of South Africa enhloko bayenzani because it was FIFA, remember?
Oh, 2010.
Yeah, 2010.
Yeah, kuzozi World Cup.
For me 2010 it was not only FIFA but ukuhamba kweFIFA kuhambe ne-eyesight yami. So in that way in 2010 I remember back in August it was my birthday. After my birthday I it's reported because kwabona masogula angeke usakhumbula yonke into. So bangitshela ukuthi no, after your birthday uvele waqala ukugula. And I believe akusinto ukuthi mhlambe ukugula naturally. I believe isandla esinye esingenelele. These are dark forces that led me to be like this. But ukuthanda kwenkosi, because the Bible says there's no weapon that is going to prosper. So basically they wanted to take my life. But inkosi yala, no, I'm not going to allow that one. So 2010 after my birthday ngaqala ukugula. It said that ngaqala I collapsed, ngabana yabona ngfaint, hlanze ngenzeni. Kwaba ngathi ne flu, kwaba ngathi okunye ukugula kuhlangana nga-understande ukuthi what's happening ngalomntwana. So ngiyakhumbula umkhulu wami uMathibela, he was one of the people that liked me from my father's side. He was one of the people that liked me. And manje sewushonile, may his soul rest in peace. And bafona, because now remember I was staying with my father but ngihlala kamkhulu. So bafonela kama wami, like my mother's side. But umntana wenu uyagula. So besicabanga ukuthi size because sizamile simisile esontweni simisile kuphi umntwana akasakhulumi, umntwana ohlangahlangene manje. So ba decide ukuthi basuke bangise kuphi kagogo, which means is umama wama wami, the person, my grandma. Yabona sasuka from lapho and then saqonda khona. And it's fortunate because ukwabona izinto maziyenzeka uNkulunkulu makaziplanile ukuthi into zoyenzeka kanje na kanje, but angeke ngivume ukuthi ukuthanda komuntu kuyenzeke in that way that they want. Ugogo umuntu umfundisi. Ugogo I mean, I'm also in a church. It's called RGC, Revelation Gospel Church. Elapha eMpumalanga.
Okay, my brother.
So ugogo usonta khona lapha, ugogo futhi umuntu ohamba intaba. For sure puthi Chris ukile wazwa bathe kunabantu abayintabeni, intaba bayithandaza.
Oh bayakhuphuka bentabeni beyothandaza.
Yeah, mara akusi uthi mhlambe hayi mhlambe it's not always the case ukuthi mele bayentabeni ilento ukuthi bathatha isikhathi bafaste. Bazincisha ukudla.
Then kubizwa ngokuthiwa kiwe
entabeni.
Nasengitshela physical intaba ukuthi
yeah, no.
Okay, my brother, ngiyaunderstand.
Ukuthandaza puthi Chris bathandaza. So luckily that month beba nenkonzo yokufasta for inyanga yonke. So they called on the 27th and they were supposed for ukuthi bazirelieve lenkonzo on the 28th. On the 27th they called from my father's place ukuthi umntwana nangu uyagula akakhulumi mhlangahlangene. Basuka saqonda kuphi kagogo. Masifika I still remember bastarta khona these are my church members. These are the families that we built over time because sonta sonke masifika laphiyana basimukela because ugogo wami ubonile ukuthi angeke asimukele kithi kagogo wami straight, so baya kulabantu abasonta nabo, and then they combined as a church. Mabafika lapha baqala ukungithandazela. Ugogo wami makafika angibiza at least said makangibiza kanje ngavuma bamangala labantu engize nabo because they know and they knew that bengasakhulumi, but uthe makangibiza ngasabela, then kwabukuthi ukuvuka kwami lapho baqala ukungithandazela and I remember vividly ukuthi while they were praying I was not there in that. I was not present where they were praying me from. Bengizibona nguphi na ngisemadongeni ngihleli nezilwane.
Mabethandaza.
Yeah, maloku bathandaza ngibona ngihleli nani, ngibona ngihleli nama elephant. I'm telling them ukuthi no angiboni la ngikhona, angiboni kanti ukusho ukuthi angiboni. It's a result ukuthi I was this thing that wanted to take my life, it was unable to take my life, but for some reasons God allowed it to happen ukuthi ihambe eyesight. Uyayibona? So ngiyazibona lapha ngisemadwaleni balibangithandazela, ngibona senguphi, uyayibona le plastic le yakamasipala le abathola ngayo idoti le. Yeah. Ngizibona sengifakwe khona lapha. Ngiyolahlwa kuphi? Einsileni. Ngiloku ngiyalwa. They are praying and praying. Ngizibona ngiloku ngiyahamba. Khona labantu engibabonayo mara angibazi labantu. And I'm crying with no, I can't see. They are praying and praying. Then from la fast forward, but decide ukuthi bangithathe kuthi khona bangisesibhedlele. Mabangisesibhedlele before bangisesibhedlele kahle bangisa general doctor. Afika ngichecka ukuthi hayi man lo mntwana lona there's no way ukuthi ngamenza lutho. It's like near death lo muntu lona angashona noma kunini, anytime this person can pass. Kwaba ukuthi manje mandu ibhedlele eziningi that time bezivaliwe because beba striker ibhedlela za government. So there's this hospital where I stay from bokusebenza private in that hospital. I think it was a temporary company or contract that was working there. Yeah. But they accepted me even though it wasn't government. Umusa wenkosi lo ovuma ukuthi bang accept even though they were not supposed to. Uyayibona Buti Chris.
Yeah, my brother.
Ngithe mangifika laphana bangichecka umshini wathi lo muntu lo kumele bamise kukhoma lo. Anytime ngashona akasekho right. Bangibuza udoctor lo yathini lo muntu lona kanti nimenzeni lo mntwana. The way cause umzimba wami ubhlungu but Chris
Ubhlungu wonke.
Bomhlungu wonke umuntu makangithasha cause ukhumbula bengingasakwazi nokuyihambela. Lento le is in a form of a stroke. Cause le side lami la right lonke leli belingasasebenzi.
My brother.
Beli crippled. Ibhinqekile lingakwazi ukusebenza. So now they had to bangimeme bangenzeni masiloko smooth and all that. Udoctor athi lo mntwana lona ngathi nimene nambeka truck yamshaya then namkhipha.
Kusho ba?
Kusho udoctor. Athini umzimba lo mntwana ulimele. Ulimele umzimba lo mntwana. I remember that one. Then from lapho gogwama bacela ukuthi ngicela lo mntwana lona ngihlale naye ngihlale naye ngifuna ukuthi ngiloko ngithandaza nokuthi ngisizwe ukuthi taking care of this child uyayibona. And this name of Lesedi, it's not just a name. This name, because ngile ngabuza uma wami ngathi kuze kanjani ukuthi ningibize uLesedi. Then she was like, ugogo wakho had a vision. This vision, she saw umntwana on the sun in the middle. Then she had a voice in that vision to say, uzoba nomntwana, lo mntwana lo umfana, igama lakhe nithi uLesedi. That was me, the son. So I saw it from there. I'm not just an ordinary child. It means I'm going to be facing problems in life, challenges, but my name, and this is not just a name. It was an angel being assigned to me. So lo muntu lona, this angel is going to take care of you. It's going to go with you. We're born up with Chris.
Yeah,
that's why I was able to fight all these, and that's why I was able to untrap myself through prayer on these snares that they put me on. From there, from the hospital, I still remember Puti it was painful. They told me and my parents, and one thing, I think one part that was painful for me is to see my mother cry and being unable to help in that way. It's and at some point with ukhala ngoba it's because of you in that situation. It was bad, but at the end of the day, uNkulunkulu ungisizile. I remember those people that time they were praying for me. I kept on seeing people. Mangiloko ngisesibhedlela lapha Puti Chris.
Yeah, my brother.
I saw these people visiting me. Ebusuku. Ngitshela ugogo wami ukuthi ngibona into kanje na kanje. She prayed for me. She prayed, and she prayed. Ngiyakhumbula nabafundisi bethu bishop they came there. They did pray. Everything that they had, they used their energy, they used their money to travel through and everything. And I'm still saying I'm grateful ngiyabonga to all the people that came to send their prayers in that place, because ukuthanda kwenkosi is the most powerful thing that I've seen. And kunabantu, I'm not just here as well to say a testimony. The reason why I came here to say my testimony is because of kunabantu abangathembi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaphila. Umuntu uyakwazi ukuvuka adle ayenze 1 2 3. Kuna umunye ugogo esonta naye athi yazini mina ngiyabonga ngoba ngisakwazi ukuzigcokisa. Mina ngiyabonga ngoba ngisakwazi ukuzidlisa, ngisakwazi ukuzigezisa. People often undermine this thing of usakwazi ukuziyenzela. They think it's because of ukuthanda kwabo. You know, kunabantu abaningi Puti Chris abagulayo. But ke labantu labazalwane laba, they came to pray for me, and inkosi ngisizile in that way. I remember these people laba basebenza esibhedlele. There was this oneness yomlungu. You know, some of the things Puti Chris nami ngabona ukuthi lo umusa wenkosi. Kuna lo sister lo bathi, I think if ngikhumbula kahle bathi sister Roj or something. This nurse saw me ukuthi mangifika lapha, because usually ukabona mawufika ebhedlele ifile yalahleka, ifile yenzeka lokhu, this and that. She adopted me as a child. And she was a white nurse. And you will remember our history as South Africa, which sibuya kuphi, you know. So for a white nurse to even care about you, to take care of you, to take with a 35 yami, I lona, I beg a right in a way with mangifika, siyam contact, okay, sifuna le file, anginikeze extra care. That I feel like that was God's mercy.
It's true.
That was God's mercy. because uzokhumbula ukuthi it was only 15 years ukuthi sibuya kuphi apartheid. A lot of people back then, especially white people, they were still clinging and holding from this thing of racism and stuff. But inkosi itouche inhliziyo yakhe that this child is a chosen. It's not an ordinary child. We are born up with the Chris. That's when I saw, good, no man, we are on God. This is God's grace. We are born. So from then I remember they tried, because I said my lesson lami la right leli belingasakwazi ukusebenza, inyawo bengasakwazi ukuhamba, isandla besingasakwazi ukuyenza lutho. Bangitshela ukuthi there's a possibility ukuthi ngingasakwazi ukuzihambela. So what does it mean now? Sho ukuthi bengingeke ngikwazi ukubona, bengeke ngikwazi ukuhamba. All this thing yenza umuntu wenhliziyo embi afuna ukuthi angazi bokuyini inhloso yakhe athi ufuna uyenzani. But the Bible says there's no weapon that is going to prosper. Even if they can bring a missile, it cannot prosper if you are with God. That's when I saw ukuthi no inkosi nami. Now they did help me. Bazama ukungilula isandla, bazama ukungilula inyawo. It was so painful. I still remember I was angry to these people. Hey, naningithandi. Hey, but they helped me. So now one of these people, they came there, the nurses. Bathini kukokwami. You know, we were laughing at you. Abuza ukuthi why?
Check your phone.
Abuza ukuthi why? Athini? Bamtshela kuthini ugokwami? Besihleka sokuhleba. Sithi wena ufuna ukubona lo mntwana wakho ashona. Cause thina according to the machines, to the scientific information that we had, lo mntwana bengasekho lona. Besekahambile. But inkosi benami. God was with me. Emmanuel. God was with me. Inkosi ingisizile. Now, there were some people as well, the people that were getting share nabo a room, but kunabantu abafikayo. Because back then, especially in the olden days, umuntu makagula kakhulu, amanesi bebamcisha umuntu but Chris. Umuntu makagula kakhulu kulama public hospitals lawa. Umuntu bebanokuthi babona ukuthi bakhathele ngaye. Uyayibona? It's alleged ukuthi umuntu vele bebamcisha nani makagula kakhulu. So now, ukuba khona kwakho kwami laphiyana kungisizile nami ngobani she was there as uyayibona taking care of me. She was taking care of me and praying a faster. You know, it was unbelievable even for her as well, because nyakumbula, I remember while I was still there, but then I was able to walk, I was able to talk, and I was able to feed myself. But the only thing that I did not understand, I was also living in a bubble of confusion. Ngibona actually bese ngimangala ukuthi kuze kanjani ngishayisa mangihamba. I didn't even know there's a concept called blindness. I didn't even know that, but Chris. But then actually, ukukwa mama lo mntwana lona ngiyenzakalani bamtshela ukuthi no, lo mntwana lona akasaboni. Lo mntwana akasaboni. Imsipha yakhe, inhloko yakhe ilimele kakhulu. His nerves are damaged. Basho ukuthi mhlambe malo yakhula lemisipha izoregrowa izoregroupa uzoza sizomenza ioperation mhlambe angabona futhi nayibona but Chris. So now kwenze ukuthi mascot lokho sahamba and ukhumbula ukuthi in my family I can't even say kunomuntu ongaboni mhlambe kanjani kithi akekho umuntu ongaboni. I'm the first person mina umuntu othi lo akaboni. If umuntu because abanye abantu bazothi mhlambe inheritile
Iphumika, yeah.
kanjani. Nah, it's not about that. Ngivele ngaqala nje ukuthi ngigule ngaluza eyesight yami. Uyayibona futhi Chris. So uNkulunkulu one day ngahlala phansi ngazibuza ukuthi uNkulunkulu why avume ukuthi ngingaboni? Why did he allow me to live but ngingasaboni? Because ukhumbule as a person who's blind, ikolo zami zikude bra Chris. I went to school in Limpopo and there I didn't have any person who's taking care of me. I don't have relatives in Limpopo, but I was able as young as I was able to become a man, take care of myself, do 1, 2, 3 because of Inkosi Beinami. I've witnessed the presence of God. That's why I say, even if God is not alive according to how you believe, but God is there. Because there's always a reason why izinto zenzeka in a certain way. There's always a reason why. Ukukwami is a person who is spiritual. I also believe ukuthi lento ukuthi ngicule, this gift of being a singer ngithole kuyo because she is known to be a singer in that place. Bayazi ukuthi she sings. So I feel like that's one thing that I got from her, and for me it's a gift. For me it's a gift. uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi why avume ukuthi lo muntu lona angaboni. I went to primary school in Limpopo, and now Puti Chris, people can't believe when I say I travel alone from here Gauteng to Mpumalanga alone.
Wow.
In a public taxi.
Oh.
Let's travel because I'm with God.
Wow, my brother.
Because I'm with God. That's why I say, I've witnessed the presence of God,
yeah.
in my life.
Yeah.
I've witnessed kunabantu abaphumayo baye kuphi bayenzeke 1 2 3 babe nenkinga abahlangana nazo la endleleni, but I've never had a problem. I've never had a problem. And now ngakhumbula ngathi mina I think that was when was it? I think it was last year. No, since those people, the doctor ate, I have to come back. Ngisho ukuthi because bengi Steve Biko isibhedlela because ngiyakhumbula ngayenza an operation khona Steve Biko. Ngithe mangiphuma Steve Biko ukuthi at least I could see light, at least, but over time kwaba ukuthi ngiyayiluza leyo ability ukuthi ngibone light. But for me, it doesn't matter. Only what it matters impilo. Impilo, but Chris, kunabantu abaningi abafila ngathi bangakwazi ukuziphefumulela without ama guest mask or what. Cause manje mina, since I'm able to do it, I must praise the Lord. Last year, ngasuka ngaya kuphi Steve Biko. Mangifika laphiyana bangitshela ukuthi ngathi okay, umuntu ongaboni kanje na kanje manje 2011 I came to do an operation and basho ukuthi imele ngiphinde ngibuye ngizoyenza ioperation mase ngimdala, at least lapho kuzoba ngcono, they can operate me because now imsipha yami izoba seyijwayele, uyayibona. But from then ngabona ukuthi okay, what does this mean? I have to go there. Mangifika bathini awungeke masibona emshini ethi kusitshela ukuthini angeke usakhona ukubona. But nami within my heart I was like, ngibonga impilo, I'm alive, I'm not going to reduce my happiness by anything ukuthi mhlambe bathi ngeke ngibone or ngeke ngenzeni. You know, abanye abantu I know they have this belief ukuthi uzobona. For me I feel like let the will of God happen. Because sometimes ukuthanda kwethu it's not what is written in the book. So now mangitshela ukuthi ngeke ngibone, I won't lie, for some like maybe a week I had this breakdown with okay bathi ngeke ngiphinde ngibone but ngingathandaza ngathi uNkulunkulu why kenzeka ngalendlela. Then I had a voice that communicated with me. Yatini, I want you to become the most successful singer and producer who is blind. That's when I saw, which no, I am a chosen child. I am not an ordinary child because my life has problems, challenges, and sometimes nokubona if izinto zami ziqala ukulunga kunokuvela ishabalala nje fast unga-understandanga ukuthi kuyenzakalani. You know, it shows that there are forces that even now they are still fighting for me and for my life.
Yeah.
But inkosi inami. Inkosi inami, Buti Chris. So now I've embraced that. I've embraced that. Why? Because of I feel like what I'm destined for, it's greatness in life. I want to become the person that when they see a light of hope. Kunabantu abaningi emakhaya laba bangasaboni laba maybe they were born blind or this and that.
So they give up here.
But they've given up. Some of them are in the streets with a coin or a can ready to receive a coin or whatsoever. I want to become that hope with we can become someone who's like this. We can still become something. I've always said kunabantu abaningi aba-talented abangaboni.
Yeah, mfethu.
Baningi Buti Chris. But now the spaces abantu babangibheka ngingaboni kanje. They already see a shame. Ngibona avela uzo because people always mabakubona baba ne-stigma sokuthi lo muntu lona akaboni uzoyenza 1 2 3 uzoyenzani lo muntu lona because they always
Bajudge.
yeah and the law umsebenzi wani wenkosi.
uNkulunkulu nguyojaja.
God is the only person who can judge. But bona mabakubona ungaboni bathini lo muntu lona ngeke akwazi ukuyenza 1 2 3. But now Buti Chris, I want to become that person ukuthi noma umntwana akhula athi ngifuna ukufana nobani noLerilo. Because of that is what God destined me for. That's why I was asking him ukuthi why did you allow me to be alive ngiphinde ngingaboni. Athi no, I want you to become the greatest. And your story is only beautiful in that way. Your story is only creamy in that way.
Hey my brother.
Uyayibona Buti Chris?
Yazi mfethu abantu abanye abantu ababonayo abakhonayo nje kusenzela yonke into bayabona abanayo le faith onayo. So it's very like shocking ukuthi umuntu njengawe like sounds very faithful.
And another thing is kunabanye abantu bang-approach abathini, you know, because of you today we choose to look at life in a positive way. When we see you on the social media uyenza music, when we see you this and that, we feel like thina siyabona but why can't we do it?
Yeah man.
Mababona mina, they say they feel like bafila ngathi baphila kabusha. They feel like they can now do it. Cause if I am blind and I can do it, why not bona bangakwazi ukuthi bayenze lento leyo Buti Chris? But I always say God is the key and is the success. If you believe in him, everything that you touch shall become gold. Because of his presence in my life, I've seen it, I've witnessed it, and it's only greatness that he had prepared me for. And for all these challenges that I've came through, is to prepare me for the future, is to prepare me for what's coming. because what's coming, it's big. Ugogo wami, when she was praying for me, she used to say these words, Nkosi ngicela umsize aphile azokwazi ukuma phambi kwabantu athi you are great and you helped me. Today here I am, I'm speaking here to say Inkosi mina, if you don't believe God is alive, I am the testimony. I am the testimony. From being semi-dead, from being crippled, I am alive.
And that's what matters. People
That's
take-
what matters.
take for granted indaba yempilo.
Yempilo.
Umuntu ukuvuka act like, hey, I was supposed to.
And it's not.
It's grace.
Kanti it's not. Kunabantu abalala bangavuki. Uyabona Bhuti Chris.
Then nini ugraduate nini?
2027.
2027.
2027 year graduate. Because next year is my final year of schooling.
Okay, my brother.
So now Bhuti Chris, just to share as well about my music, because I know people will always want to hear.
Yeah.
Bazoyibuza ukuthi kuza kanjani lo muntu lona ayenza music angaboni. You know, there's no one who's helping me to produce or whatsoever. Ngumuntu ozenzelayo. I do work with other people. Even though abantu Bhuti Chris, some people are still shying away. Why? Angazi mhlambe basithi lo muntu ngoba akaboni uzoyenzani, or but I'm saying it's not everything oyibonayo ekwazi ukuyenza lento loyicabangayo. Some people are great within their mind and some people are great within themselves.
So manje uphinde ucule.
Ngiyacula Bhuti Chris.
Umusic wakho utholakala kuphi?
Spotify uyatholakala.
Umuntu uthini wayefona?
Ubhala Lerlo. Lerlo vele, that's the name I use for my online presence, is my stage name. It's LYRIILO. Yes, Lerlo. So I produce, I sing as well. And great things are coming. I'm starting to work with other people as well now, that I hope good things are going to come from it. And as well, I want to urge the viewers at home to say, please check my music. There's an EP that I've released recently. It's called Bewitched and Blessed.
Ithi indawo yakhona ukusiculela yona le.
It's a name of an EP. So there's this.
Oh, akusiyingoma ephakathi.
Yes. So, but there's this song in that EP. It's track number 1. It's called Africa. It's amapiano as well, but it's poetic. It's not just amapiano. It's poetic amapiano. What does it mean? It talks about Africa, how people see, or how people used to see. Some people even see Africa as well as a jungle. But today Africa has produced some of the biggest songs in the world. And today Africa is so modernized to a point where if they don't tell you that this is Africa, you wouldn't believe that this is Africa. We've become a beautiful continent. So now I remember there was this time I was making a content video about this song. When the camera went on, there was this spirit. I said these words, ngathi, because I didn't even plan this. It's not like something ezengqondweni yami or what. That's when I saw ukuthi there's an angel's spirit that is assigned for me. That is a musical angel that is living within me. Ngathini mabatha ama-hits akapheli, ngithi ama-hits akapheli, which means it's a manifesto. It says whatsoever that can happen, but there's no way, there's no point where I can run out of hits. When that video went off, ngazibuza ngathi, why did I say that? I asked myself, Ngathi lento, those words, where do they come from? And I was like, no, this is my prayer from now. This is gonna be in my songs because it's a sign, a signature of the presence of God. Yabona Puti Chris. And as I've said, I produce as well. I don't only produce. So there's this other genre as well that I am working on. I am pioneering. Kunabantu abaningi Puti Chris, they've been in the game. I'm here. I only started amapiano because I was recording hip hop back then. But 2024, last year, I decided to make amapiano because I saw the demand. And now it's only great that I'm becoming. I've made a genre called American School Amapiano. That is the mixture of amapiano and heavy rock and music. That is something else. I am blind, but I came with that. People should go and check it. One of those tracks is track number 4. It's called Happy. They can go stream the song. I said it's available on Spotify, YouTube Music, everywhere where there's music. And people as well, they can follow me on my socials, as I've spelled Larry Low, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest. That's where they can find me. Yabona Puti Chris.
No, my brother siyabonga kakhulu. Afuna ukusivalela ngetrack yakho.
Track A1. Okay. Which one? Let me see.
Kunabantu bezoza emakhaya behobheka.
I think I would love to sing them this song. It's not in the EP, but it's a song that I want to drop probably in the next 2 months or 3 months. I'm just gonna sing 2 songs. This one that I'm about to sing and 1 song from the EP. So this song, it goes like, baningi abangafuna ukungibona ngilele ngidleni, baningi abangafuna ukungibona ngilele sibedlele, baningi abafuna ukungibona ngidisadvantaged, baningi bayadlula i-21 la ma savage. You see, it goes like that. And then say ibuya lapha na ithini, I've adopted where those words when they say ngibafuna by 10, ngi1, ngi striker, ngibafuna by 3, ngi1, ngai hiker lentaba. Yayibona? Ihamba kanjalo Puti Chris. Kanti I'm just going to sing 1 song from that EP. It goes like, I'm happy to be under the sun. I'm happy to live under the sky. Come on, but I'm happy. But I'm happy. But I'm happy. But I'm happy. But I'm over the moon. But I'm over the moon. But I'm over the moon. That's track number 4 from that album or EP. It's called Bewitched. But I'm blessed.
Amazing. My brother, thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga Puti Chris.
I really appreciate
it.
Yeah, humble. What part of James?
Yeah, bengithi nibake lapha screenini bazokwazi ukubona ukuthi ibhalwa kanjani futhi.
Yeah,
so ibhale
that's why ibhale screenini. Yeah, I'm over the moon, boy.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
I'm happy to live under the sun. Under the sky, but I'm over the moon.
Thank you, my brother.
Ngibongile Puti Chris, ngibongile kubrother Kanda, brother James. At least I came here singiyanazi manje uthi James mncane. Okay,
ubona kanjani manje?
Hayi no, awusho ukuthi bakhuluma phela uNkulunkulu akayenzi into akangana plan. Akayenzi uNkulunkulu into akangana plan.
Uyakhona ubrad ukuza ukuthi
ngevoice nanoma umuntu uyawazi ukumsize noma khuluma uthi ubra Chris mkhudlwana ukho uyayibona. So that's how it is. Abantu banokubuza ukuthi
ngathi ngimuhle ne.
Hayi ngifakazi zamanga lapho uthi Chris.
Ekadi ukadi gara.
Hayi uganda ngathi medium angakabi ne-interaction naye ka closely, I would say.
Oh, so ukhona ukubizwa umuntu masusondele kuyo. Wamshekha nesandla. Oh.
That's when I'm able to, okay.
Bakuzonesandla.
Nabo ngizona isandla.
Uthi ubhiki nini?
This one is too funny.
Hey James.
Hey, boy.
And we out. James.
Out.